Hello, and welcome to the Howard Foundation's SurveyMonkey Applied Review portal. If this is your first time using this site, you will need to register an account using the email address that the request we sent you is for. If you have used the site before, you can simply log in using your previous credentials. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Your Password tool to reset it. Once logged in, you will see your assignments in either photography or film studies. You should have about 23 assignments depending on your category. Select Start, and you will be taken to the dashboard page, which shows you the number of applicants you have. You can change the amount you view down here. And you will have your applicants listed here. You can get to the applications either by clicking on the last name or clicking Start. The full instructions, which were sent to you as guidelines, are listed here, as well as this video will be also posted here as well. Once you select Start, you'll be taken into a two-pane window. The application will be on the left, and your ranking will be on the right. During this round, we ask you to select 5 applications to advance to the next round. You will either select Advance or Do Not Advance. If you are advancing the application, we ask that you write a few paragraphs in this area about why you are advancing that category and that candidate. You may do so in another program and paste it into this space if you wish. Once you have made your rank and comments, you will mark it as complete. If you go back out here, you can see all the other applications again. There's an area to mark a conflict of interest, and also the ability to clear reviews, view application, download your review, and export reviews as PDFs. You may also do this from within the application. You have the conflict of interest button here, the download button here. You can download any part or the whole application. You can print it out if you want. You can make a separate file to review. You can use this navigation button to jump to any one of the tasks of the application. Instructions are listed here for each task. Task instructions are here. If they have listed any reasons why they fall outside of the guidelines of the Howard Foundation criteria but still think they are eligible, they will be listed here in part, but then will be listed on the application form in full in this area. As you mark each selection as complete, you'll see a green check mark next to it saying that you've completed it. You'll be able to see your evaluation here, as well as part of your comments here. You can skip through the applications by using these 2 buttons at the top if you wish to skip to the previous or next application. Once you mark all of your applications as complete, it will ask you if you want to submit them and finalize all reviews. you have to hit this button in order for them all to advance to the next stage. If you hit review and submit, you can go back and check all of your reviews one more time, and then hit submit reviews at the bottom. If you want to start over, you can clear your reviews. And you will not be able to submit reviews until you have completed all of the reviews. If you have comments pertaining to ones you do not wish to advance to the next round, please include them, as they will be read, and they may make an influence on future choices down the road, though they are not required. Once again, you can make reference back to our guidelines at any point via the instructions. These were also sent to you in an email, and instructions for each task are located within each application. If you wish to download all the applications, I believe you can check this box and go to Download Applications and select All if you wish to download and read them in print form before going into the portal. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me at howard_foundation@brown.edu, and I look forward to reading your reviews. Thank you.